Configuring AWS Amplify function category is a crucial step in building scalable and secure serverless applications. To get started, you need to have an AWS account and the AWS Amplify CLI installed on your machine. First, initialize a new Amplify project by running the command amplify init in your terminal. This will set up a new Amplify project in your current directory. Next, navigate to the Amplify dashboard and click on the Functions tab. Here, you can create a new function by clicking on the New Function button. Choose the runtime environment for your function, such as Node.js or Python, and select the function template that best fits your needs. Once you have created your function, you need to configure its category. AWS Amplify provides two function categories: Lambda and Lambda layer. Lambda functions are the core of your serverless application, while Lambda layers are used to share code between multiple functions. To configure your function category, go to the function settings and select the category from the drop-down menu. If you choose Lambda, you will need to specify the handler and the runtime environment for your function. If you choose Lambda layer, you will need to specify the layer name and the runtime environment. You can also configure the layer permissions and the layer versions. Best practices for configuring AWS Amplify function category include using meaningful names for your functions and layers, and using environment variables to store sensitive data. It is also important to monitor and log your functions to ensure they are running correctly and to identify any issues. You can use AWS CloudWatch to monitor your functions and AWS X-Ray to troubleshoot performance issues. In conclusion, configuring AWS Amplify function category is a straightforward process that requires careful planning and attention to detail. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create scalable and secure serverless applications using AWS Amplify.